Can you tell me about your coach here? Really?
That's all you're gonna say, Woody?
Is that all?
Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm Sean, and this is my 2019 Thor Outlaw. It is the 37RB model, and I am now currently full-timing in it. I've been full-timing in it for a few weeks, so it has mileage on it when they drove it from Indiana to California, but I've only put a couple hundred miles on it. And I bought this unit from Dave Martini RV Sales. They gave me this cool hat, which I enjoy. I also tow my truck with it, so I did the whole tow bar setup, and this is my daily driver right here. It tows really good, however, it does pull down on the rig a little bit more. I'm going to be upgrading the suspension to sumo spring suspension. So we're gonna see in a few weeks how that turns out. Otherwise, the power of this V10, this has a 6-speed Triton V10 in it. I'm really happy with the power on this Outlaw. And you know, it's not a diesel pusher, but it's pretty darn good.
All right, so let's take a peek inside.
Sounds good.
Woody, how you doing, buddy?
Woody is 3 months. He's our French Bulldog, our road dog.
All right. Yeah. Woody, can you show us around your home here?
One of the features that I really liked on the Thors is the drop-down bed. We haven't used it yet, but it's nice and convenient when we do need it, if we have that guest staying or anything. The chairs, you know, they swivel around, and we got the table out right now. One of the things I really like when I'm driving is, you can see right now it's on the rear camera for the back. But when I'm driving, the mirrors have cameras on the turn signals. So once I put the turn signal on, it has a camera view of the whole side, each side. So that's really good when I'm driving. 37RB model doesn't come with a couch, but it does have the rear bedroom. And this setup works really nice for us. It's just me and my son. And here's the refrigerator.
Yeah, residential fridge.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, nice cabinets. Really pretty.
Yeah, I love the colors, and then I love the colors on the floor. It's really nice. And convection microwave.
Is that an induction top?
Yeah, it is an induction.
Induction?
Correct. Yep.
Nice. Those are.
That works nice.
Really nice.
And it saves for a lot of space.
Yeah.
So we're able to put more dishes and pots and pans and stuff down here. Right. And one little kind of pull-out pantry, which right now I just got some canned food in.
That's really nice. Yeah.
And then just your regular standard kitchen cabinets and drawers. Right now I got my DVD player up there, and this unit comes with 1, 2, 3 TVs. And then in the sky bunk, which I'll show you, there could be another TV, which we do have. We're gonna put in.
Really nice. Like the backsplash too. It's really nice.
Yeah. And then the Corian countertops. So it's great. I love the color scheme of this unit.
You do too. Your split bathroom here.
Yeah.
Shower.
Here's the bathroom, which it's pretty nice, and it works for us.
Yeah.
One of the things I thought was kind of unique, there's a little magnet up here. Yeah, you can hear it click right there.
Yeah.
And then you can close this pocket door here. So you do actually have some decent privacy in the bathroom. The bathroom and the shower all is one. Then we come into the master bedroom where all the magic happens.
Yeah. The queen size?
Yeah, queen size. It's got some nice cabinet storage up above. Pretty deep cabinet storage. And it's got windows on both sides, which I really like. It adds some ventilation in on these warmer nights that we're starting to get now. And it does have 2 AC units inside the rig, and then 1 AC unit back out in the garage.
Okay.
And I will show you the garage in a second. That's one of the more unique things about this RV unit. Here's another use of space that Thor's done, which I like, is the TV in the master bedroom swings out nicely so you can access your closet.
Yeah, and then you got...
So it really optimizes the space, and you can use the space behind the TV.
Like just putting a TV on your closet doors, basically.
Yeah. And it just hinges right in there and locks right in place. So
really nice.
So you don't want to be driving and the TV swings out. Yeah.
All right.
And so this is another reason we bought this unit, is my 12-year-old son really liked the skybunk area, and in addition, it's kind of almost like a second bedroom. And so not many floor plans that I'm aware of actually have 2 bedrooms. So it makes it feel like 2 bedrooms, even though it's a low headroom space. But for a teenager, you know, or kids, it's great.
Yeah, I would love that as a kid.
Yeah.
My sliding doors.
This takes us out into the garage.
They give you the motorcycles too?
No. So these are couches that turn into beds right here on the wall. They either fold out as a couch or like a futon fold into like a bed. What I've done here is, this is an IKEA chair and an IKEA desk. And
gotta love IKEA.
It put together easy. It was relatively inexpensive. And the only downside is, as you can see, it kind of cuts into the door frame area here.
Yeah. And
I'm not able to use the Thor power step that comes out.
Oh, okay. So a power
step
step right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I've just improvised with a nice little step here. There's more storage up here, and they put a separate AC unit in the garages.
Is this your hangout? Huh?
Okay, so coming out of the garage is another second door into the garage, and I'm going to show you the party deck, which I call the party deck.
The party deck.
And it also acts as the ramp to get the motorcycles up into. Now, I've not personally seen it, but I've heard some people even put smart cars in these. So it is a 10-foot garage, 10 foot 2 inches on the garage, and then I think it's 8 feet wide, if I'm correct. And
what model did you say this was again?
This is the Outlaw 37RB. This is called a 0G door, and this thing is so easy to pull down. I'm pulling it down with my pinky right now. So easy to pull down and lift up. So it's really nice. And when I want to use it as a ramp, Brian, then all I do is take out these pins and let the cables release, and then it drops the door down. And so I want to show you how we do the fencing and how I put the fencing out around the party deck. It works out pretty quick and pretty easy, so I'll show you that real quick.
We're all in for a party deck, right?
Oh, this is nice in the evenings. Right now we're kind of let the dog sit out here in the mornings or the evenings, and he gets a chance to come outside. Plus, if you look up here, this is not even extended all the way. The awning covers most of the patio from the overhead sun, which is great. So it just kind of folds and slides out and then locks in place.
It's on wheels.
And that locks in. And that is it.
What do you think, Wood? Huh?
He finally gets to come outside now.
Is this your party deck?
Yeah. This is a really nice feature on this thing. I really love it.
It's really nice.
Yeah. And then there's the other motorcycle that goes in the RV.
Wow.
Pretty big guy.
Yeah, you get quite a bit in that garage, really.
And I'm going to walk around and then we'll go see that control panel. Yeah, the LED lighting is nice, huh? Yeah. Here we are at the control panel. So also throughout the RV, we have where we can turn on a couple of the lights, and do the fans, turn the fans on, open them up. And I believe these control panels are new from Thor for 2019, but they're really convenient. So right now we're on the home screen, but it tells you all of your levels of your tanks and your battery levels, and you can turn the lights on and off. Also, it's got all the buttons for the lights. You can do your fans, and you can do your slides and your awnings. Remember, this has 3 awnings on it. And also really convenient is you can connect your, this is an app for it too. The real convenient part is when I'm putting the slides out. For example, right now, if I walked outside, we'll do this slide here. So it's moving it right from the app. So then I never have to worry about opening my slide into a tree or hitting another RV, or with the awnings especially, hitting a tree. So it's great. And
Wow.
Overall, you know, I haven't put a lot of mileage or a lot of time into this Thor unit, but to be honest, I haven't had any problems. I'm sure, you know, everybody has some problems, and I'm sure some problems are going to come up.
Oh yeah. If you own an RV, you have problems.
Another thing that I added onto this RV was our bearded dragon cage, and he's not in here right now, but I mounted it. 2 of the brackets are mounted to the aluminum studs behind.
Yep.
And I didn't like doing it, but it was having our bearded dragon with us on the road or not, so I had to support it up here by doing some dowels into the ceiling here.
I think most of us have had kids. We know we go that extra mile sometimes.
Exactly.
Boy, isn't that the truth. And what a great guy Sean is.
He sure is.
And an awesome father, I might add.
Yes.
That'll do it for the tour of the 2019 Thor Outlaw 37RB. We want to thank Sean again for allowing us to tour his home. That was really nice of him. There was a few things that we didn't get a chance to cover. Now, it does have 1 pass-through storage in the basement. Also, it does have a 5500 Onan generator. It's a gas generator, and an 1800 watt inverter. I did put a link down below. It goes directly to the Thor website, to the 2019 Thor Outlaw 37RB, if you would like to know any more specs about that. For a smaller floor plan, it's really well thought out. It is solar ready with a charge controller, no solar panels. Also, it does have that nice 10-inch screen in the front and has GPS navigation as well. And in the garage, we didn't put them out, but it does have 2 opposing jackknife couches in the garage. Thanks again for watching, and please give it a big thumbs up, like this video. It really does help us out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.